Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo Watch DCAE. Whoever named this watch was either very bored or very high. Anyway, I have this watch in front of me and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping up and down on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings you should see the option called brightness, tap on it, and here by default the auto brightness will be enabled, and if you want to adjust the brightness to your liking, I recommend to turn it off. And then you have dimming option. You can keep tapping on it. Let's go back. You can keep tapping on dimming option to toggle between levels of brightness of your screen. So select the level you like, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also open the quick panel and change the brightness there. So if you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel, and here you have the brightness icon, and you can keep tapping on it to toggle between different brightness levels. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.